The Old River Bridge was built in 1915. It is a swing bridge over the Old River on Highway 4 in Discovery Bay. The center of the bridge divides San Joaquin County and Contra Costa County in California. The total length of the bridge is 530 feet with a deck width of 19.4 feet. The vertical clearance above the deck is 15.5 feet. The bridge is electrical, which there are power lines that run underneath the river to the center motors to swing the bridge.